Monday, December 26, 2022. Today I received the gasket for the 72.6. That's the old one. I just compare it. Both sides don't have any surprise. This can go out. Like I said before, it comes apart. And that's what you have to afraid. Alright? Because you see this is in an oil gallery. It's not here where it's sealing, it's here. And that's the new one. Let's start closing the transmission to finalize it also. At least didn't change the gear. Something's that. Belt housing, oil pump, B1, new gasket. The bolts being torqued down, the 45 torques, remaining the 30 torques. I already put it, but I didn't torque it down for final. Let's start dressing it. Transmission oil, Vaseline. It's a classic, like any other time. Nothing new here. K1 installed, continue with the K2. K2 back in place. Alright, you see less clutches here and more wide piston because they're not an AMG. Alright, that's why. If it was an AMG, this one is gonna be shorter and you're gonna have more clutches inside. Moving on. Planetary gear K3 output shaft installed. Let's close the housing. Transmission housing back in place, the bearing in place, seam, seal, and finally the yoke, adapter, call it as you like. Moving on. By the book, because I don't remember all the values by memory. And that's it with the transmission. Now you may wondering what that's it. You did not put the oil pan, you didn't put the filter. Very simple. I don't have the filter. They send me the gasket and I have to wait another half hour until 12 o'clock to open the office and give me the transmission oil filter. After that, torquing down the oil pan, alright, putting first the filter, torquing down the oil pan, torque down properly the nut back over there, securing it, giving to the guys to install it on the car, clear the adaptations, one test drive, and that's it. Take it easy on the first days, 1-2 days, normal driving, until you make the adaptation, and everybody happy. As usual. That's it. Thank you very much. Yep, just like I said, in half hour now I'm gonna put the oil pan just temporarily there, to don't be open like this, and waiting for the filter. It's gonna be the same like any other time. Thank you. I was putting now together the clips for this transmission, okay, for today. I said, okay, it's gonna be 25 minutes, half hour video. Yeah, it was 2:59, 3 minutes. Only me, I'm doing that. Yeah, obviously, I didn't show you the measurements, I didn't show you the clearance. The clearance for the drums, by the way, I'm measuring twice. One when I'm making it down and another one when I'm installing it, just to verify that I have the same numbers. I didn't show you the clearance on the output shaft with the K3 with the planetary gear or the safe. Yeah, classic. You don't need to know that. So, yeah, that's it. Enjoy. Less than 4 minutes video. You see, that's the magic of YouTube. You don't have to, you compress everything down. Nice. It's gonna be nice if it was like that also in real life, you know, in 4 minutes to close one transmission. By the way, since I'm here, I'm watching it, don't over torque this nut here, the bolt, the 7mm. You're gonna destroy the contactor plate and then you have to break it to take it out and you need a contactor plate. That's it, over and out.